Hi, today we are going to do 3 more examples on simultaneous equations word problems. Example 4. A slot machine takes only 10-cent, 50-cent coins and contains a total of 24 coins altogether. If the value of the coins is $6, find the number of coins of each value. So I have taken number of 10-cent coins x, number of 50-cent coins, that is y. So we have to form two equations and solve them and find the relevant number of coins. They say total of 24 coins. That means 10-cent coins or 50-cent coins all together 24. So we can write x plus y equals 24. Then they say the value of the coins. That means 10-cent and 50-cent coins total is $6. So we took 10-cent coins x. Then what is the total value of 10-cent coins? That is 10x. Then what is the value of 50-cent coins? That is 50y. Then when you add 10-cent coins and 50-cent coins all together, the value is $6. Since we put this in cents, we have to convert $6 to cents. That is 600 cents. Then we have to label the equations. Now we check the coefficients. Here 1, here 10, here 1, here 50. It's easy to eliminate the x. First of all, we have to make coefficients same. So I'm going to multiply equation 1 by 10. Then I get 10 times x, 10x, plus 10 times y, 10y, equals 10 times 24, that is 240. Equation 3. Then coefficient same, the signs same. Then I have to subtract 2 and 3. So I write here subtract. I'm going to subtract like this. 10x subtract 10x, 10 subtract 10, that get cancelled. 50y subtract 10y, that is 40y, equals 600 subtract 240, that is 360. Then both sides I have to divide by 40. 40y equals 360 divided by 40 divided by 40. 40 and 40 get cancelled. Y equals 0, 0 get cancelled. 4 times 1, 4 times 9. So y equals 9. Then I'm going to substitute y equals 9 in equation 1. So I write the equation 1, x plus y equals 24. Then x, y equals 9. So instead of y, I have to put 9. Then how do you remove this 9? I have to subtract 9 from both sides. X plus 9 minus 9, 24 minus 9. Then plus 9 minus 9 get cancelled. X remains 24 minus 9, that is 15. So 10-cent coins, that is x, 15. Then 50-cent coins, that is y, that's 9. That's the final answer. A fish can swim at 16 meters per second in the direction of the current and 6 meters per second against it. Find the speed of the current and the speed of the fish in still water. Okay, in here I have taken x as speed of the fish in still water, y speed of the current in still water. If fish swims in the direction of the current, that means x plus y. So I write x plus y equals, that is 16. Then this fish swims against the current. That means fish this direction, current opposite direction. So that is x minus y equals 6. So we have two equations. I'm going to label them 1, 2. Then I check the coefficients. There is 1, x coefficients 1, 1, y coefficients 1, 1. You can eliminate x or you can eliminate y. I select y to be eliminated. So coefficient same, signs different. If signs different, we have to add. So x add x, that is 2x, plus y minus y get cancelled, equals 16 plus 6, that is 22. Then both sides divide by 2. 2 get cancelled, x equals 22 divided by 2, that is 11. Then I'm going to substitute x equals 11 in equation 1. I write the equation 1, x plus y equals 16. Then x is 11, 11 plus y equals 16. How do you remove this 11? Subtract 11 from both sides. 11 plus y minus 11, 16 minus 11. Then 11 and plus 11 minus 11 get cancelled. Y equals 16 minus 11, that is 5. Speed of the fish, that is x, 11 meters per second. Then speed of the current, that is y equals 5 meters per second. That's the final answer. Okay, example 6. The curve y equals ax squared plus bx plus c passes through the points 1, 8, 0, 5 and 320. Find the values of a, b, c. If the curve passes through the point 1, 8 means we can substitute x as 1 in this equation and y as 8. X equals 1 and y equals 8. Substitute 1, 8 in this equation. That means x equals 1, y equals 8. So y means 8 equals a times 1 squared plus b times 1 plus c. That is 8 equals 1 squared means 1, 1 times a, that is a, plus 1 times b, that is b, plus c. That is equation 1. So x equals 0, y equals 5. Y, that is 5, equals a times 0 squared plus b times 0 plus c. Then you can see a times 0, that is 0, b times 0, that is 0, then c only remains. So 5 equals c. That is equation 2. Substitute 320. So x equals 3, y equals 20. So y, that is 20, equals a times 3 squared plus b times 3 plus c. Then 20 equals 3 squared means 9, 9a plus b times 3, that is 3b plus c. That is equation 3. So in equation 2 we have c equals 5. So I can substitute c equals 5 in equation 1 and equation 3 and remove this c. So I write the equation 1, that is 8 equals a plus b plus, now c equals 5. Instead of c, I'm going to put 5. Then I can remove this 5, subtracting 5 from both sides. A plus b plus 5 minus 5. Plus 5 minus 5 get cancelled. 8 minus 5, that is 3. A plus b. This is equation 4. Substitute c equals 5 in equation 3. So equation 3 is this one. I write 20 equals 9a 3b plus c. C means 5. Then I can subtract 5 from both sides. So I write here 20 minus 5 equals 9a plus 3b plus 5 minus 5. Plus 5 minus 5 gone. 20 minus 5, that is 15. 9a plus 3b. This is equation number 5. So we have equation 4 and equation 5. There we have only a and b. If you solve equation 4 and 5, you get a and b. I'm going to write equation 4 here. 3 equals a plus b. Then check the coefficients. It is 9, 1. A coefficients 9, 1. B coefficients 3, 1. So I'm gonna eliminate b here by equalizing coefficients of b. So to equalize coefficients b, I have to multiply equation 4 by 3. Multiply by 3. So 3 times 3, that is 9 equals 3 times a, that is 3a, plus 3 times b, that is 3b. This is equation 6 now. Then I write equation 5 below equation 6. 15 equals 9a plus 3b. Then we have 3b, 3b, their signs same. So you have to subtract 6 and 5 to eliminate b. 9 subtract 15, that is minus 6, equals 3a minus 9a, that is minus 6a. 3b minus 3b get cancelled. So minus 6 equals minus 6a. Both sides divide by minus 6. Minus 6 get cancelled. Minus minus get cancelled. 6 ones, 6 times 1, 6 times 1. So a equals 1. Then I'm going to substitute a equals 1 in equation 4. So I write equation 4, that is a plus b equals 3. Then a equals 1. 1 plus b equals 3. Then I can remove this 1, subtract 1 from both sides. That is 1 plus b minus 1 equals 3 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. B equals 3 minus 1, that is 2. So a equals 1, b equals 2, c equals 5. That's the final answer. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.